Lauren, who is my granddaughter, is going to help me. We are doing a really cool craft. What we plan to do is we plan to take the jars that you get from the Fragrant Jewels. Seriously, the candle jars, you get tons of them. I mean, if you even have the subscription for only, you know, 3 or 4 months, you end up with these jars. It's like, what the heck are you gonna do? You wanna throw them away? No, because they're heavy, nice, good jars. Let me grab a jar for you. So this is one of the jars. I washed it, it went through the dishwasher, I used alcohol, I used whatever I could to get the sticky labels off. That, I think, was the hardest part of all of it, was getting the labels off. Even after soaking them, the only thing I could do was just rub them with alcohol, and I put them through the dishwasher too. That just was the only thing that I could think of. So anyways, we're going to start, but before we do, we need the proper clothes because we don't want to mess up our really pretty things. So here we go. Here we have the right clothes. Something old, and then gloves for our hands. So now that we've done this, let's get the table set up. So let me move the camera down so you can see the table. Okay. There we go. So basically I have set up a sheet that I don't want, you know, that I don't care if it gets messed up. A box, I have my Fragrant Jewels jar, and then the next thing that I have is I have Rust-Oleum. This is metallic paint and primer in one. It's for any surface, any angle, fast drying. Wood, metal, plastic, masonry. So, it doesn't say glass, but you know what? We're gonna do it on glass anyways. So basically, we're gonna be shaking this up and giving this a spritz if we can get it to work. Is this gonna work? Oh, I know I'm a rebel for doing it on glass. So basically, we want to go ahead and get the whole thing covered. Now, I'm gonna let this end dry, and then we will come back and we will spritz the rest of it around because we want the bottom to not lose. But already you can see how pretty that looks. So we will be back.
I'm just gonna not move.
So it's been a while, and it looks like that has set a little bit, enough for us to do the rest. Okay, Maureen, you want to give me a hand? Move that chair out of the way. Go ahead and put your hand inside. Hand inside.
Oh.
And you're going to hold it down in the box. Say, there, perfect, just like that. And then I'm going to try not to spray your arm, but that's why you have a glove on.
Yeah, but my arm.
Okay, now twist your arm so we can get another side. Okay, see if you can twist it the other way. Down a bit. Yeah, I know, it doesn't smell that great. Okay, now go ahead and set it down in there because we, hold on. Okay, set it down. Woo! Make sure you do this in a well-ventilated place. I'm going to spritz the inside a bit, and then there. That part is done, and then all we have to do is, after it's dried, finish the project. And you're thinking, what the heck are you going to do with this jar? You will see.
My arm's sparkling.
No. Hi guys. So now we are ready to do the last thing for this craft, which is we're going to take this jar and we're going to pot a plant in it because, you know, everybody needs to have a cute little herb plant and a cute little container. So here, Maureen, I'm going to go ahead and put some of these rocks in because basically these jars have no, no holes in them for drainage. That's what I'm trying to say. Let me adjust the camera just a little bit because it's cutting off your head, babe. So, okay, there we go. I think I can still see us doing the craft, but now we can see our faces. All right, so go ahead and grab some rocks to put in the bottom. Yeah, these rocks, we were really lucky because we have a quarry next to where we live, and we can just pick up a bunch of little rocks. And then this way, this will give some drainage to this. Let's see, how full is it? The bottom of this is still a little tacky, so that's pretty good. We'll just go ahead and that'll be enough. And now, do you want to do this yourself or do you want me to help you do it?
Do what?
Put the plant in. Here. This is what we're going to do. Another good reason to have a, sheet on your table. There we go. Squish it down in. There. That looks actually really good. Okay, now my hands are a little dirty, but there you have it. Of course, it's a little messy right now still, but fragrant jewel candle that is now transformed into a pot for an herb. And I think I'm going to do a whole bunch of these. I'm going to set them in my window because I like to have herbs in my window. So we are done. Thank you very much for helping me.
You're welcome.
And you guys take care. Go ahead and hit that like button, leave a comment. Subscribe. Yes. And we're going to try and do more tutorials for you. Hopefully maybe at least one a month, maybe more. They just take a lot of time to set up. So, bye.